Hi, my name is Jane G. I'm a game designer and co-founder of Spring Bay Studio. It will take generations to build a sustainable green future, but many adults don't know how to communicate with children about climate change in a positive way. Kids grow up with games, and we can make their game time counts towards building an eco-focused mindset. When I designed a Facebook gardening game a few years ago, I was connected with the environmental issues. I felt overwhelmed and worried about my children. As a mother, I have to do something, helping our future generations become green leaders. So now we're taking our gaming expertise to engage school kids in the real world. The League for Green Leaders is a live year-round online competition for kids aged 8 to 14. It's not a video game, it's a competition based in the real world. Your kids will play to learn, play together, and play for our future. One activity in the competition is finding the biggest tree in your neighborhood. Kids will measure the circumferences of the trees and calculate the carbon stored by trees. Here is another example. This is something kids can do for their teams every day. Our technology can track how far they walk or bike and calculate the carbon dioxide they save by not taking a car. I biked just for 30 minutes and I saved 1 kilogram of CO2 equivalent compared to driving. Besides playing and exploring in the real world, League participants will be building healthy habitats online in our award-winning iBomb games. Imagine your kids searching for the biggest tree. Imagine your kids building virtual habitat. Imagine them taking pride of the CO2 they save. Imagine them competing for the title Champion of Hope. Welcome to the League for Green Leaders. We need your support to launch the first season for the League for Green Leaders. Thank you.